Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Chandiwala Pearl Icon by Chandiwala Enterprises located in Malad East, Mumbai. And now let me show you the actual location, the actual towers and the neighborhood of the project. And this over here is the actual location. Behind me you can see the actual land parcel where the construction is in full swing. Also you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be talking about points like project overview, location, connectivity, amenities, cafeteria, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.8 acres that will have one tower with two wings of ground plus 20 residential floors having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Vasant Valley Road, Pathanbadi, Malad East near Tuba Restaurant, from where Dindoshi Metro Station is only at a distance of 650 meters, Oberoi Mall is only at a distance of 750 meters and you had Malad Railway Station only at a distance of 2.4 kilometers from the project. And now talking about the amenities, this project has swimming pool, gym, garden, kids play area, indoor games and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the configuration and cafeteria, as said, this project has 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences with 1 BHK in the cafeteria of 490 square feet and 2 BHK in the cafeteria ranging between 575 to 620 square feet. And now talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Chandiwala Pearl Icon by Chandiwala Enterprises located in Malad East.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.